Welcome to Marsol 3.0 tutorials. In this particular tutorial, we're going to go over the menu builder a little bit. The reason being is I want to complete my phase of how to create landing pages and linking them. And one of the core aspects of that is using the menu builder, which is a very powerful tool in our system. Let me explain the menu builder. This section right here on this website, home, property, this is actually a menu builder. And what you can do is you can actually create what I would call an element or a set of menus. By this right here is the main navigation set. And you can see there's multiple items in that set. And we're going to create another set for the left-hand column. That's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to call it left-hand column for ease. I'm going to content, menu builder. And you're going to click new menu group, okay, aka set, same thing. We're going to give it a title, left column. Okay, I'm not going to give it any IDs right now, we're just going to leave it like it is. This is for making it responsive, which means mobile friendly. Okay, and that means it will automatically shrink itself if need be. We don't need that because it's going to be on the left hand column. Okay. Now what we've got is we've got two sets here. We've got the main navigation items and the left columns. Okay, and these are the actions, and this is the element you will use, which we'll come back to later. Okay, we're going to go back to the menu builder because I want you to see this from the beginning. As you can see right now, this is actually the editing phase for the main navigation because that's what's selected here. Main navigation. These are the items, and this is like the little editor on the left-hand side, and you can edit each one of these items as you click. Okay, we're going to go and click the select and get the left column when we created it. It's going to load it up. You can see there's nothing there yet. And we're going to call this one level 1. Let's see, what did we call that menu? I can't remember now. Let's go back. When we created those menus, we had a few of them. Okay, we had the Marsol tutorial, and this is a test page. So let's call this first one. This is a test page, okay? And we're just going to call it link so you know what I'm doing. Then I'm going to select page URL and find it. It shouldn't be hard because it's under pages. You can also type. There it is. This is. Okay, there I found it. Okay, so you can see it here. This is a test page. Select your link. Now, if you want to link to a page that is not in the drop down, you can do that as well from here. Just click it and type in the full URL, and you can actually give some styling. That's more advanced though. If you want that page when you click on it to open up in another window or tab, you check this box. Okay. For now, we're just going to do the basics, and we're going to save it. You can see it shows up over here. Okay. We now have a menu built, but the menu is not on the site itself. Okay. Now, please understand this is a little bit advanced what we're doing here. In most cases, if you've got a quick start site with us, we've already created something like this for you. But if you don't have one created, you can do it this way. And this is the method in which you would do it. Now that we have created a menu, you're not going to see anything on here because we've created it, but we haven't used it. Now, in order to use it, we have to go in one of the advanced sections. But first, we have to get the element. So let's go back and get the element. Menu builder, there you are. Okay, now this is the groups. This is the left column. We'll simply select actions, menu details, and there's the element. We call it a snippet. Okay, we'll copy that by right click, copy, we'll close it. Now we're going to go into the design section. There's where it gets a little tricky. Now if you're not familiar with this, I do not recommend you mess with it. If you want us to build an element in the left-hand column, just ask us and we will do it for you. If you want to build the menu and then ask us just to add it to the left-hand column, we can do that for you. It doesn't take us long to do it. But be very careful yourself. Okay? Okay, now what we're going to do is go to the view, and we want to find out on the home page what the left column that is being used. This is a responsive layout, so they're a little bit more complex. We can look in here in the layout and see that the left sidebar is the element being used on the left. So I'll go to the view, design, view, scroll down to the elements, left sidebar, and I can edit this sidebar here. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go here, press enter. Okay. Then I'll put my H3 in here. Okay. I gotta go down here and close this. I'll let that open. I should not have. Then I can put my element by right click, paste. Oops, put it in the wrong spot, didn't I? Let me get rid of that. Cursor was in the wrong place. There we go. Right click here and paste. There we go. Then I will close the div tag like so. Okay. Now I can go down here and save. And then I can refresh the screen. And there it is. And there's my menu item. And now if I click that, it will link to the page. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, just let us know.